Have you ever wondered how celebrities look much younger than their age naturally? Let's talk about their healthy tips, not the anti-aging surgeries. Here are the examples of celebrities. Paul Rudd, the Ant-Man star who was people's sexiest man alive in 2021, still looks young in his 50s. His secrets towards his youthful glow are he started training and eating like an athlete, meaning no sugar, no alcohol, just proteins and vegetables. Halle Berry, who is also in her 50s, keeps up her youthful appearance by adopting a keto lifestyle where she trains her body to use fat to burn fat. She enjoys nuts, seeds, and avocado regularly, and these foods contain nutrients that better skin health and boost satiety, so it's easier to manage hunger and cravings. And Priyanka Chopra, the Bollywood and Hollywood star who is going to enter her 40s, shares her anti-aging secrets, including working out an hour 4 days a week, drinking lots of water, and involving green vegetables and fruits as part of her diet. In the previous video, I shared about collagen deficiency and the factors of collagen loss. If you haven't watched this video, do click the top right link to learn more about collagen deficiency as well as the factors of collagen loss. Collagen is an abundant protein in our body and is very important to our health because they provide stronger bones, skin elasticity and hydration, thicker hair, healthier nails, reduce osteoarthritis pain, and increases muscle mass. Now, let's move on to the main content, which is about how to increase collagen and look younger naturally. Number 1. Load up on fruits and veggies. Including fruits and vegetables in your diet may prove to be a collagen booster. Fruits and vegetables such as berries, kale, and spinach consist of high antioxidants that form a strong defense from free radicals that compromise collagen production. Other than that, lycopene-rich red veggies like tomatoes, beets, and red peppers protect against sun damage that can lead to aging. A study in 2008 found that the participants who supplemented their diets with tomato paste achieved higher levels of pro-collagen in their skin. Number 2. Consume high-quality collagen supplements. Collagen supplements are available in various forms like powder and tablets, which are good to boost collagen production in the body. There's a type of collagen called hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptide powder that usually has no flavor and dissolves easily in beverage, smoothies, soups, and sauces. The research found that women who took oral collagen supplements for 8 weeks showed a statistically significant improvement in skin elasticity than those on a placebo. They also witnessed an increase in skin moisture and skin evaporation. Number 3. Facial workouts. Facial workouts and facial massages can help us achieve bouncy, glowing skin by improving blood circulation and spurring collagen production. These exercises that act on the face muscles can help in increasing blood circulation. They help in reducing lines and wrinkles, which result in youthful-looking skin. These exercises are far safer compared to cosmetic therapies and Botox injections. If you are not sure how facial exercise works, there are many facial workouts tutorials on YouTube, so you can watch and learn easily. Number 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is something nutritional and has healing benefits that everyone must include in their diet to increase collagen production. Bone broth draws collagen out of beef, chicken, or fish bones, leaving a flavorful liquid that we can drink straight up or use in other dishes. This can help with inflammation and improve our skin. You can choose to make it yourself or buy it in the grocery stores. It is recommended to buy only organic bone broth or cooking broth from the bones of only organically raised animals to avoid the residues of pesticides, antibiotics, and other contaminants in the broth. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Good enough sleep indeed promotes good healthy skin. The collagen production level increases when you start getting good sleep at night. If we don't get enough sleep, we will notice an increase in fine lines, uneven pigmentation, and reduced elasticity in our skin. This means we look older than our actual years would indicate because lack of sleep weakens the skin's ability to repair and rejuvenate itself. It is recommended to sleep an average of 7 to 9 hours because the skin is the largest organ of the body and we could not exist without properly functioning skin. Number 6. Fasting but only for water. If you haven't heard about water fasting, it is a type of fast during which you cannot consume anything except water. Most water fasts last for 24 to 72 hours. Water fasting brings some impressive health benefits, but it does not apply to all people, especially those with medical conditions. Water fasting not only lowers the risk of cancers, heart diseases, and diabetes, but also increases collagen production levels. When we do water fasting, our body will enter a phase called autophagy, meaning the damaged cells in our body are cleaned out to regenerate newer and healthier cells. This phase breaks down all the proteins and even collagen produced in the body. After the fast ends, arrange a full healthy meal and it will produce intense collagen as a result. There are still some natural ways to improve our skin condition other than those tips such as exercise regularly, lifting weights, consuming omega fatty acids, and loss more. These natural ways are far healthier and cheaper compared to the costly and dangerous anti-aging surgeries that may bring some side effects. We are a magnificent gift from God. Therefore, we should be thankful for what we have and should appreciate each part of our body by adopting these natural ways. If you think today's video is helpful, please do subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any of our videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.